I want to thank you for coming to our YouTube video on how to install Plygem's continuous leaf products, including the new DuoPro. So how we want to start this demo today is to show you what the old-fashioned way to put a gutter protection on top of a new gutter that you're putting on a house if you're replacing the siding. So what you do is you run the gutter on a continuous machine, most people do. Then they get a hanger, any type, they're very expensive. You put them in every 16 to 2 feet like Eric's doing here. And then you take your leak protection and you install it right on top. There's all sorts of ones that go under the shingles, and they all work pretty good, but you have to install those hangers. So what Eric's going to show you what you're going to do with the hangers with this new product. You don't need them, so he's going to get rid of it. Let's show you the new way to do it. Let's show you with the continuous leaf relief. He has a small piece here. Let's talk about it. You can see it's unique. It locks into the front. We're going to show you that, and it locks over the back. But I want to make sure you know that this product comes in a 5-inch, 6-inch, and 7-inch, and the pieces are 7.5 foot long. And then we'll show you how they overlap in a little bit. So let's show you the basic way it goes in. And we have a 5-inch piece. So what Eric's going to do, he's going to lock it into the small piece right on the ground. Then you pop the back over the back, the leg, it just pops in. Now, we don't have a hanger. How's this thing going to stay on the wall? In every carton, we include the screws for you. You don't need a hanger. All you need is a 1.5-inch gasketed screw. You have to use the screw. So he'll show you that's going to go into the back of the gutter, through the drip edge, which we'll show you in a second, or just right into this system here. Either way, you don't install it any more than 2 feet on center for this to work perfectly. So let's talk about some of the benefits right here, why Eric's got the piece in front of him. This is a full gutter strength system where you have a hanger every inch. So he's going to show you if you have ice and water or you have a ladder, you got that full, no matter where he puts that pressure, he has a hanger every inch instead of having it every 2 feet. So when you have snow in the winter, if you're in a snow area, you're going to have wavy gutters. You're also going to have no ladder crush when you put your ladder up against to service your roof. It supports up to 250 pounds. We're going to show you that a little bit later. So you got no front end waviness, you get full gutter strength. This product here, which is continuous, again in 5, 6, and 7 inches, it has a 25-year warranty. So we showed you the screw. Let's talk a little bit about the overlap before we install it. This product is already cut back just like siding. So you got a notch on both ends, and he'll show you how that works. So it's a 7.5-inch piece. Both ends will have a notch. So you slide them together, you put a screw through the center, and you go and you continue to put all the pieces up. So I think we're ready to put a piece up. We're going to show you 2 different applications. The first one, which doesn't happen that much, here, let's show that full piece, Eric. That's all locked in. You do it on the ground. By the way, by putting this in and presetting it, it's less work to handle large pieces of gutter. Look how strong that is. So it's a big advantage to installers. Makes it like a beam instead of a spaghetti noodle. So Junior's going to take and actually install it right on the fascia board, because if you don't have a drip edge, all you're going to do is set it up there. Junior's going to run a screw. He's got an extension. We'll show you that. And he's just runs your screw through the leaf protection right into the back. He'll put another one in, and Eric will show you that extension that Junior's using so that you don't have damage. It's just a 6-inch extension you put onto your drill, and you have the head so that the screw fits in there. It really works well. So as you can see, Junior and Eric have installed that piece. Junior may even try to show you how strong it is. Give it a little tug there, Junior. That's good. It's got a lot of strength. So that's a big advantage of Plygem's leaf relief that's continuous. You have that strength against the ladders and any snow. It just doesn't come down. 250 pounds per foot strength. Let's go and show you the other options. Sometimes in most cases, you're going to have a drip edge on the fascia board in the eave. So what you do here is a little different. We have it already set in there like he showed you. It's all ready to go. Now in this case, he's sliding it underneath the drip edge, a little different if you have a drip edge. Now you don't need to slope this very much. If you'll notice, Junior's running the screw through the drip edge, through the leaf relief. You can see the screw going through everything. A lot of people say, how can you put a screw through the drip edge? It's not hurting anything. It's sitting inside the gutter. So same strength, works the same. You want it to go underneath the drip edge if it's there. Now remember, don't slope your gutter with gutter protection very much so you don't lose that drip edge. You don't need to, because it's going to keep everything out of the gutter. So again, a very unique product, patent on it, so you have a continuous hanger system, and I think you'll be real excited. It works in every situation. Now we do add a new product recently. It's called Premium, and it's called Duo Pro. And why it's Duo Pro, it's got 2 layers. It still looks similar to the continuous hanger, but it gives you extra protection to keep pine needles out of the gutter. And it all slides together and installs the same exact way that the continuous hanger does. The advantage is it's painted black. You don't see it as much. It melts ice. It works with pine needles. And again, you still have the 5 and 6 inch option. It gives you a little more protection. And you also get an additional 10-year no clog, no flow warranty. So Duo Pro's 35 years for no clog, no flow. And your continuous hanger, the standard product that we have up, is a 25-year warranty. So that covers the product options. This is for new gutters that you put on your house. We call it Continuous Leak Relief and Duo Pro. And we thank you for watching our YouTube video. Click on others to learn more about the Ply Gem products.